Understanding Intellectual Property, A Beginner's Guide. Title: Understanding Intellectual Property, A Beginner's Guide. Introduction. In today's knowledge-based economy, intellectual property, IP, plays a crucial role in safeguarding and fostering innovation and creativity. Understanding what intellectual property is, and how it can be protected, is essential for individuals and businesses alike. This beginner's guide provides comprehensive insights into the various forms of intellectual property and how they contribute to economic growth and the advancement of society. 1. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property refers to any creation of the human mind that has value and can be protected legally. It encompasses a wide range of intangible assets, including inventions, literary and artistic works, brands, designs, and symbols used in commerce. In essence, intellectual property rights grant exclusive ownership and economic rights to the creators or owners of these intangible assets. 2. Types of intellectual property. 2,1 Patents. Patents protect inventions, providing inventors with exclusive rights to their creations for a specific period. Patents can be granted for new and useful processes, machines, compositions of matter, or any new and useful improvement to an existing invention. They encourage innovation by giving inventors a temporary monopoly on their invention, allowing them to recoup research and development costs. 2,2 Copyrights. Copyrights protect original works of authorship, such as books, music, paintings, photographs, and software. The copyright owner has the exclusive right to reproduce, distribute, perform, or display their work and create derivative works. Copyright typically lasts for the life of the author plus a designated number of years, enabling creators to monetize and control the use of their artistic and literary creations. 2,3 Trademarks. Trademarks are symbols, designs, logos, or words used to distinguish the goods or services offered by one entity from those of others. Trademark protection prevents others from using a similar or identical mark in a way that could cause consumer confusion. Registering a trademark provides legal protection and helps build brand recognition and loyalty in the market. 2,4 Trade Secrets. Trade secrets encompass valuable, confidential business information that gives a company a competitive advantage. This can include customer lists, manufacturing processes, formulas, or marketing strategies. Unlike patents or copyrights, trade secrets are protected without formal registration or fixed duration as long as they remain a secret. 2,5 Industrial Designs. Industrial designs protect the visual aspects of a product or its ornamentation. They often relate to a product's shape, configuration, pattern, or color. Industrial design rights ensure that the appearance of a product remains exclusive to its creator or owner, preventing imitation or unauthorized reproduction. 3. Importance of intellectual property rights. 3,1 Economic growth and employment. Intellectual property rights promote economic growth by encouraging innovation and driving technological advancements. By providing legal protection, IP rights enable individuals and businesses to secure financial returns from their creations, attracting investment and fostering entrepreneurship. This contributes to job creation and the overall expansion of industries. 3,2 Incentivizing innovation and creativity. IP rights incentivize the creation of new inventions, artistic works, and technological breakthroughs. By granting exclusive rights, creators and inventors can fully exploit the economic value of their ideas, promoting continuous innovation and driving societal progress. This fosters a climate of creativity that benefits society as a whole. 3,3 International trade and competition. Intellectual property rights play a significant role in international trade by allowing creators and inventors to protect their inventions and creations worldwide. These rights enable businesses to expand into global markets and compete on a level playing field. IP protections foster fair competition, ensuring that innovators are rewarded for their investments, skills, and creativity. 4. Protecting intellectual property. 4,1 Registration. Some forms of intellectual property, such as patents, trademarks, and industrial designs, require formal registration to obtain legal protection. Registration provides the owner with an exclusive right to the intellectual property and offers a legal basis to enforce those rights against infringers. 4,2 Copyright notice. While copyright protection automatically applies to original works of authorship, displaying a copyright notice, copyright, on a work is beneficial. It informs others that the work is protected and identifies the owner. Although not mandatory, a copyright notice can be crucial in enforcing copyright. 4,3 Non-disclosure agreements. For protecting trade secrets, non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, are essential. NDAs establish a legal obligation between parties who exchange confidential information, ensuring that sensitive business information remains confidential. 5. Resources for protecting intellectual property. 5,1 Intellectual property offices. Every country has its own intellectual property office that provides information and resources on protecting intellectual property within its jurisdiction. These offices often offer guidance on registration processes, legal requirements, and enforcement procedures. It is advisable to consult the Intellectual Property Office in your country for specific guidelines and assistance. 5,2 Intellectual property attorneys. Intellectual property attorneys specialize in handling legal matters related to intellectual property. They can provide guidance and support in registering and protecting your intellectual property rights. Hiring an attorney with expertise in intellectual property can ensure that you navigate the legal complexities effectively and maximize the protection of your creations. 5,3 Copyright and trademark databases. Copyright and trademark databases are valuable resources for individuals and businesses looking to ensure that their creations or brands are not infringing upon existing intellectual property rights. 5,4 Intellectual property education and training programs. There are various educational and training programs available that provide in-depth knowledge on intellectual property rights. These programs cater to individuals looking to better understand intellectual property, enforce their rights, or incorporate intellectual property strategies into their business practices. Such programs are offered by universities, professional organizations, and specialized institutions. 5,5 Online resources and publications. The Internet provides a wealth of resources and publications on intellectual property. Online platforms, government websites, and professional organizations offer articles, guides, and case studies on different aspects of intellectual property protection. Staying informed on the latest developments and best practices can help individuals and businesses navigate the complexities of intellectual property rights. 6. Intellectual property infringement and enforcement. 6,1 Infringement of intellectual property rights.